Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 30 to November 5, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ako sa aking Facebook page and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And this is a Sagittarius bracelet na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Sagittarius. Meron tong carnelian, red agate, at smoky quartz. This is available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, let's see, Sag. What's up? What's up sa mga Sag this week? Sagittarius. Ooh, the Lovers. 6 of Coins. 4 of Coins. Knave of Swords. Ooh. Okay, some of you, you are going to enter a commitment, no? Lalo na if this is related sa kaperahan, sa career ninyo, you will be entering a business partnership. Maari ring iba sa inyo, yung mismong kapartner ninyo, no, romantic partner ninyo, pwedeng kayo yung magsasama para magsimula ng isang negosyo or project, pagkakakitaan. And I think you're going to be very serious about this. Meron kayong goal, gusto nyo makaipon, marami. And there's a lot of learning here. You might be trying to learn something, may nagre-research dito. Oo, iba sa inyo, nag-a-attend ng mga training. I think you are more focused now on your future. Yes. Makes sense with the star card here. Naisip nyo na yung future ninyo. If you're not in a relationship, ito yung future mo for your family or for yourself. And I also see, maraming attraction dito eh. Merong nag-a-admire sa'yo. This can mean, pwede tong magkaroon ng romantic connection in the future. Someone really wants to be with you. Parang ikaw yung pangarap niya. O, diba? Pangarap ka niya, pangarap ang ibigin ka. And yung iba naman sa inyo, I also see some partnership kung kayo ay may kapatid, no? Mahal sa buhay or anak na gustong pumasok sa business. So, may collaboration dito. Someone is very supportive sa pangarap ng isang kapamilya niya. There's also healing. There's also focusing on your dreams. Oo, lalo na yung mga pangarap mo nung ikaw ay bata pa. So, pwede ngayon meron kang opportunity na i-pursue yung pangarap mo nung bata ka pa. So, kung iba sa inyo nagkaroon kayo ng karamdaman or sakit in the past, nasa recovery period na kayo. You are recovering. Oh, no place like home. I love it. Iba naman, pwedeng meron kayong ipapaayos sa bahay ninyo. Some of you might also be buying your own house. Oh, you are so blessed, Sagittarius. May mga blessings na parating sa inyo, something that you have been praying for, mga minamanifest ninyo, diba? May improvement, no? With this between worlds, parang you are stepping away from a difficult situation. So, ngayon papunta ka na dun sa panibagong chapter ng life mo. Mas exciting, mas masaya. Oo, mas maliwanag ang buhay. Parang Meralco. There's a transformation. I feel like yung mararamdaman mo na yung pagbabago sa estado ng pamumuhay ninyo. Oo, lalo na if you are teaming up, no? Nakikipag-team up ka sa isang taong mahal mo or someone na kapamilya na very supportive kayo sa isa't isa. You have Moon in Leo in the 5th house. 5th house is about your creativity. This is also about children and going out, dating. So, yung iba sa inyo, you're going to have fun. Whether you are in a relationship or not, you will be going out and making time for yourself, loving yourself, and mas magiging creative ka rin. Wow, meron ditong Sun in Capricorn in the 10th house. Merong achievement. So, maaring meron kang recognition sa trabaho, sa career mo, or meron kang milestone na ma-achieve. Something that you will be proud of yourself sa career mo. You also have Sun in Aries in the 1st house. Yes, you are very confident. You are assertive in a way na alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Yun naman kasi yung importante, na alam natin yung gusto natin. Para syempre, alam natin kung saan tayo papunta. 'Di ba? So, hindi natin alam kung ano yung gusto natin. Most likely, ma-confuse tayo which path to take, 'di ba? Yung iba sa inyo, you are good at promotions. Kung meron kang business, makakatulong yung mga marketing strategies mo para mas mag-grow yung business mo. Think of marketing strategies. Some of you, merong travel opportunities. And yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong ipupursue na career related sa divination, pwedeng spirituality, or, different forms of divination. Some of you are tarot readers or astrologers, or you're using spirituality for your career. Travel opportunities rin yung iba para sa inyo. Marketing, related to marketing something. Sa relationship, meron ditong deception. Someone is not being true sa relationship. Okay. Bakit? Lalo na kung nakakaramdam kayo na merong red flag. So be careful na lang din. Kasi, pwede namang meron dyang hindi nagpapakatotoo sa feelings niya. Na tipong sinasabi niya na wala siyang interest sa'yo, pero meron pala, very passionate pala siya sa'yo. Nahihiya lang. Diba? And then, feelings. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Yan. Nabanggit ko rin to kanina sa inyo, yung healing. So, maaring, these are energies from the past na importante, you are healing from within, no? Para makapag-move forward ka. Ayan. Sa new chapter ng life mo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng merong mag-open na opportunity sa relationship, no? Syempre, mag-open yan kung ready ka na. So, you are finally healing yourself. You're going to be gentle with yourself. And dun darating yung person for you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.